right, we're at Baller Roll Bowling Alley, the only bowling alley in Visalia. And I haven't bowled for years, so here we are. It's a social event for our residency program. All residents mandatory to come here to bowl today. And we're here. Go, Stina. You cannot gutter. Go.
Cannot gutter.
Oh, that's totally gutter. That's so cheating. That's so cheating. Yay! It was so fun. I played two sets. I beat Stina. I got first in the whole group first set, and the second set Stina beat me. Yeah, we're in different groups. We got split up.
Stina is only letting you win. I don't know why.
And we had the guard up, so ball can never go gutter. It's really hilarious. We did some trick shot, bounce off the wall.
You did?
Yeah, I remember we bounced off the thing and it hits. And we meet a lot of cool people and met most of the Asian too. So that's cool. And yeah, lots of inter-program communication here. Meet family med, psych, EM, anesthesia. Yeah. Meet friends from every specialty.
There's only like what, 5?
5. Thank you for watching our video. JS Adventure is a snippet of our daily lives and travel.
谢谢收看我们的频道 ，JS Adventure 记录了我们的日常生活跟旅游记事。
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. See you guys next time.
下集见，
拜拜。